May all beings be happy. Today I am going to teach you what is the rain retreat. Then the rain retreat is a blessed period of time to all the people to accumulate much positive energies to their own life. And this is very fortunate time to earn much more spiritual values to our lives. Now I am going to explain the rain retreat, and I divide rain retreat into three topics. The first one is what is the rain retreat. The second one is what Buddha allowed Buddhist monks to observe rain retreat. The third is what should we do in rain retreat. First of all, we should understand what is the rain retreat. You know, in ancient India, the year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and monsoon or rain season. These are the 4 seasons. Then the Indians have to experience thunder showers and heavy showers in monsoon or rain season. Then in the Buddha's period, there were various other religious sects in Buddha's period. Those religious sects got used to observe rain retreat being limited to their own temples and residences. Then in this period of time, they used to develop their spiritual values being limited to their own residences and temples. Then this is the rain retreat. Then rain retreat begins from the full moon poi day of July, and it prevails until the full moon poi day of October. This period of time is known as rain retreat. Now let's investigate why Buddha allowed Buddhist monks to observe rain retreat. In the very beginning of the Buddhist dispensation, Buddha did not allow Buddhist monks to observe rain retreat. Then at that time, Buddha's main intention and sole goal is to preach Dhamma to people in order to make them enlightened. With this intention, Buddha and his disciples traveled village to village, city to city, preaching Dhamma. But in this period, the other religious sects such as Niganta, Ajivaka, Achela, Pariprajaka, and those kinds of other religious sects, they were limited to their own residences and temples in this rain retreat. Then, and they accused Buddhist monks and Buddha because that they were traveling village to village, city to city, preaching Dhamma. When they were traveling, in this rain retreat, small creatures and small sects and new plants spring from the soil. When those Buddhist monks, disciples of the Buddha, were traveling in this area, then those insects, small creatures and new plants, they were crushed and they were damaged. Then so those other religious sects, they accuse Buddha. Then this accusation, this allegation was informed to Buddha. Then Buddha also got to know this incident, and he convened Buddhist monks to one place, and he promulgated a Vinaya rule. And at that moment, he enacted allowed Buddhist monks to observe rain retreat. Anujanam Vikkave Vassane Vassang Upaganto. Since that day, the Buddhist monks who are higher ordained, they observe rain retreat on Asala full moon Poede, the full moon Poede of July. They observe rain retreat. If a monk couldn't observe rain retreat on the full moon, Asala full moon Poede of July, he can observe rain retreat in next month, the Nikini full moon Poede of August. This is the reason why Buddha allowed Buddhist monks to observe rain retreat. Now we are going to understand what should we do in this rain retreat. As Buddhist monks, all of us get maximum effort and utmost effort to earn spiritual values and meditate and cultivate our mind to attain the supreme bliss of Nibbana. As the lay Buddhist devotees, you can attend the Buddhist monks and offer the requirements of the Buddhist monks, such as Civara, the robes, Pindapatha, the alms, Senasana, the residences, and Gilana, the medications and other requirements. Then the Buddhist devotees, they used to offer various kinds of things in this blessed period of time. They always very eager to do various kinds of meritorious actions, such as observing sil, offering alms, and conducting Dhamma sermons, and those kinds of various meritorious action they involved in this blessed period of time. Then if you involve in this blessed period of time in these meritorious action, you can make this blessed period of time a meaningful time to your spiritual life. Then as Buddhists, we should determine to make this period of time a best and blessed period of time to our life. Then this is the story of rain retreat. Then thank you all of you, and may the noble triple gem bless you. Thank you.